and welcome to my channel, Joyce's Affordable Glam Life 360, or just Joyce. I wanted to do my unboxing of Birchbox this month, which is November, and we're almost done with November, and I've had this box for over a week, but I have gotten so busy with just stuff going on that I was not able to do my unboxing. Now everybody knows that I have probably already looked at in the box, which is true. But I wanted to do a video really quick on Birchbox. I wanted also to let everybody know I canceled my Ipsy subscription, my Allure subscription, and my Glow Addict subscription, and I'm only subscribed to Birchbox and BoxyCharm. Originally, I wanted to cancel Birchbox, but I unfortunately, without realizing it, locked in the 12 months, so I have to continue with my subscription for another 6 months, and then it'll be done. Because what I really wanted to do was try a new subscription. I've also limited myself to 2 subscription boxes. So BoxyCharm is the one I wanted to keep. That one's my favorite. And then I wanted to try something different, but I can't for a few more months. So it'll still continue to be BoxyCharm. But anyway, let's get into what's in this box this month. The box is nice. It's, you know, it's Birchbox. And inside, of course, we get the card with all the products on it. And the other side, it says a new kind of holiday list. And it gives you where you can put people who are on your list and put some sort of memory that you want to make with that person. So, anyway, so that's what that's on there. And then, of course, like I said, the products. The box looks like this, turquoise paper to go along with the colors in the box. And let's get into what I received this month. So the first thing I received is, it says a free 5-piece Birchbox makeup brush set, plus travel bag, when you make a $75 purchase, shop purchase, and it includes gift subscriptions. So the holiday shop is live, and so that's what that says. So you could get that if you purchase $75 of products. Okay, so the first thing I received was this COOLA. It is a mineral sunscreen matte tint with an SPF of 30. It's unscented, and the full size is $36. And the description says, this mineral base BB cream hydrates, evens skin tone, protects from UV rays, and has a matte finish. Shake the bottle before using, then smooth a thin layer onto your face. So this one, you know, sometimes when there's sample sizes, deluxe sample or just the regular sample size, you don't always get, you would think, oh, this whole thing would be full of product, and you don't always. But I will say this one is, it's about, I can see it, and it's about right about here. So that is the whole, oh, excuse me, it almost, I guess it doesn't want me to hold it. Anyway, so that's what that is. I'm not going to open these because I'm not sure if I'm keeping any of these products. So I'm not going to open it, but that's what that is. The next thing I received was an all-in-one milk. All-in-one milk. I don't know. Oh, here it is. The bottle is kind of unique looking. It's different. It's a very dark brown looking bottle. And it has a nozzle, almost like a hairspray kind of nozzle. But let's read what the description of it is, because I'm not familiar with that. And Davines, I think is the brand. Full price is, or full size is $35. It says this leave-in acts as a rinse-free conditioner. It deeply nourishes hair, protects against UV exposure and damaging free radicals, and conditions for lasting softness. Okay, so it's a hair product. Just unique. I've never seen this before. So we'll give it a shot. Well, I don't know. Again, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep all these products or not. I have so many hair products that I have to get through, and I'm not getting through them. So we'll see. Okay, the next thing is a IPKN Salad Days Veggie Extracts Resurfacing Peeling Gel. At first when I saw this, I thought it was a lipstick. Doesn't it kind of look like a lipstick in a tube? I don't know. But this is a resurfacing peeling gel, and a full size would be $32. And it says this peel resurfaces your skin to make it brighter as niacinamide evens tone and texture. Massage into dry skin in a circular motion to lift away dead skin cells, then rinse. Okay. I don't know how much we'll get out of it because it is a small sample size, so I don't know how many times you would be able to actually, well, it says massage, well, it doesn't say how much, but we'll see if I use it. Okay. I received this very tiny, as you can see, it's like probably the size, I don't know, my pinky. This is sample size, of course. I think this is called Lise, L-I-S-E, Watier. I'm gonna put it up here somewhere, so or in the description box of all the products, because people who know me, I can butcher names. I apologize. But this is a Rouge Gourmand lipstick, champagne color. Full size would be $25. And it says this creamy pinky neutral shade visibly volumizes your lips and reduces the appearance of fine lines. It's also moisturizing and ultra comfortable. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As everybody knows, I love lipstick, so I'm going to try this and I'm going to keep it. But let's try a swatch of it. There we go. So that's what the color looks like. It's champagne-y. Yeah, looks like it. A little pink in it. So we'll see how it goes. But again, it's very tiny, so you know what the size reminds me of? My mom from the 60s. I don't know if she still has them. She might. I'm not sure. But for a long time, she kept these little mini petite pink, or no, they were white sample lipsticks. Mom, let me know if you remember. But they were like those little tiny little sample, I would assume they're sample sizes from the 60s. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. And she had a few of those that I remember. So anyway, that's the size this reminds me of. Okay. Next thing is Wonder Beauty, and it's the Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. $26 would be the full size. Mascara. For mascara to be $26, $30, it's got to be the best of the best. It has got to give me those like false eyelashes, dramatic looking lashes without actually wearing false eyelashes. For me to pay that much for a mascara, considering that mascara is one of the makeup products that, at least for me, in my opinion, I go through the most. I don't think I can afford $26 every couple of months. No. Okay, that's my rant. Let's get back to the product. Let's read what it says. Okay, Wonder Beauty Mascara, Mile High Club. This mascara doesn't just volumize, lengthen, and fan out lashes. A combo of peach leaf extract and castor seed oil conditions to actually strengthen them. Okay, but I don't know. Okay, this product I'm going to try because I really want to know if the claims are true. I will do a review on this for sure. And we'll find out. Okay, now I got the Davines shampoo the full size or the regular size would be $34. Oh my goodness. I just got a little sample here. But the product the bottle or whatever it comes in would be $34, and the conditioner would be $40. Let's read what the shampoo says. This paraben and sulfate-free hydrating shampoo boosts shine and volume as it improves your hair's natural texture. Antioxidant-packed, is that how you say it? Raku oil protects from harsh UV rays. Okay, then the conditioner says this conditioner taps apricot butter to soften, soothe, and detangle. It also protects your hair from the elements, helps it dry faster, and maintains its body and definition. To me, again, this channel is affordable, glam life. These would have to be like a miracle product where like my hair has never looked so good without using these. I just, I'll try it, but I don't know if I have enough product to really say these are great, or I don't know. So for these, the conditioner, shampoo, and this mascara, I am going to do a review on these two products because of the expense that they are, and to find out how great they really are. And it'll be my opinion, of course. Me trying them out and what I think. So these I'm keeping. The lipstick I'm keeping. The other products, which is the peel, the conditioner, this conditioner, and the COOLA sunscreen, I'm not sure. So I will let you know what I decide, if I keep them or I don't. Okay, well, that's the end of this Birchbox unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up. It helps me out. If you are not subscribed to my channel, would you please consider subscribing? And if you already are subscribed to my channel, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for your love and your support. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.